There is no such thing as creativity. I used to think like to create something new or something entirely different, I have to be a creative person or a genius to create something new. But I was wrong. For most of the people, like we think that creating something out of nowhere is called creativity or a sudden idea that come out of nowhere, but that isn't answer for it, okay? Because we can't create something out of nowhere. So what is even creativity? And what's about the other people who invent so many things? Does that mean they don't have creativity, or are they not creative person? What's even creativity? And that is, the creativity is ability to thinking outside of the box, making connection between seemingly unrelated concept and produce something unique and valuable. What I mean, like you have to make a something creative from two different things which are irrelevant. What I mean, like they are totally separated, so you have to just add them or compress them and to make something entirely new. And when you add something and make something entirely new, we think like we have created something in this world, because that doesn't exist, because there is no person aside you which have been combat these two things to make something new, and which is called, and what we called it as creativity. Take Blinkit as example. As we know that Blinkit is one of the most famous app in India and most growing app, but does Blinkit is unique? Then yeah and no, because Blinkit has taken idea from Flipkart and Amazon which have pre-existing. So what I want to say, like we can create something out of nowhere, just like Blinkit who just take idea from Flipkart and Amazon which is based from that their idea. And what they did, just they add two different thing and make something entirely new, and that's why they are being successful. Same for Elon Musk and as well Jeff Bezos or Steve Jobs. Like they don't create entirely new thing, just they add two different thing and make two things as new, as unique. And people call as creativity or creative thing or creative idea, but that not creative thing, brother. That's something called entirely different thing. Like we are just adding two different thing. We are just putting a name on it. That's all. And you and I can be become creative person. It's not like we have to be genius to create something new. But what we can do, we can try to learn as much we can and just put them together to create something new. And it will gonna take time. It may take months or even years, but it's fine. And one day you can do it, so you don't have to think about or search about how to become more creative person. You just have to just put things together and experiment with your life, with what are you learning, and being curious about it, okay? You can just add two things when you are not curious about things, okay? So you have to become more curious about everything and just keep thinking and experience in that thing, like what will happen if I put two different thing, and that's how you're gonna make things. So that's all for today. So I hope you learned something from me. So bye, keep growing. Prime pace.